Florida officials have shut down an assisted living facility months after the brutal beating of an elderly resident was caught on surveillance video. Here, a 52-year-old resident is seen repeatedly punching an 86-year-old man who suffers from dementia. Police say the victim was hit more than 50 times, 56 to be precise, for about 2 minutes, even as the man lay defenseless on the floor. Despite other residents' efforts to break it up, reports say the incident was over by the time staff members arrived. That's right, staff, they weren't in that common area at all. Law enforcement says it began over a cupcake. According to a police report, the assailant was not arrested after the October incident because of his limited capacity. The victim was hospitalized with bruising and swelling. After a long history of violations, the Good Samaritan retirement home south of Gainesville was shut down just before Christmas. Took that long. Defense attorney Brian Wagner joins us again. All right, first of all, you have the 52-year-old in the retirement facility because of traumatic brain injury, and there had been incidences of violence with him in the past. So he's allowed to be around this 84-year-old man with dementia.
Well, the people in these living facilities, there's a lot of them that have other issues, including whether it be dementia, traumatic brain injury called TBI, or other psychiatric issues. Unfortunately, the people that are in these facilities often have these mental issues and other limited capacity issues. And so if you're talking about the staff has to be in charge of everyone in that location.
And they weren't there. They weren't in the common area. Should they be charged?
Well, no. They shouldn't be charged for
with anything.
They shouldn't be charged with what a person in the residential facility did to another person. Now, what could happen is they can be sued civilly, but the issue then becomes what type of point-to-point contact do they have to have? For example, a psychiatric person that has, let's say, a level 1 psychiatric issues, maybe they need to be on one-on-one interaction every 2 minutes, but that's doctor prescribed. Someone with traumatic brain injury doesn't need to be point-to-point.
You know, I'll tell you, if it was my relative, I would want prosecution to the fullest extent of the law, because this can't happen. This can't happen to the elderly in rest homes and retirement homes across the country, because families rely on those people. An important programming note to tell you about. Thursday on HLN,